Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok no internet connection error in 2026. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and TikTok is not working on your Wi-Fi, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply drag down your control center and check your internet connection whether it is connected and working properly or not. So guys, if it is not working properly, then fix your internet connection and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you have used Wi-Fi and it is not working, then use your cellular data and check whether the problem is with your Wi-Fi connection or something else. So guys, check your Wi-Fi connection, and if it is working properly, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply open the App Store or Play Store and then search here for TikTok, and then you have to simply download the latest version of TikTok app on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then restart your device for one time as well. So guys, simply restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is open settings and then go to general and then scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time, and after this go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly as well. Do this, and after this go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. Again go back and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply restart your device for one time again. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.